Well, I think you need to stay here forever. I think someone you're going to save.
Where's Superman and mine? And where am I? What is this place? Lidia, what do you want this time?
Well, you are in the lair. I think you're going to stay here and you're going to die.
Huh? Where am I? What is that thing? Oh, what the hell is that? Help! Somebody help me! Anybody help me! Help! Anybody help me! I'm going to be die! Help me, please! I'm going to be die! Little sister, are you okay? You hurt? No, medium see, God hurt me, and see, almost die. It was so scary, so much. Oh my God, that's horrible. That was kind of really scary. Oh my God, Lidia, I'm so sorry. Guys, we need to get out here now. Let's get out here about Metal before Amy and Metal Lidia get in here. Thanks, guys, for rescuing me. I was kinda scared so much before I died about this. It's nice to meet you guys. My name is Lidia, and this is my sister Aurora, and also Lidia. This is my parents, Sonic, Tails, Amy, Knuckles, and Stace. It's nice to meet you guys. Yeah, thank you for saving my little sister. Actually, Dylan, I am ninja musical. You know, I am playing instruments and I am singing. So, yeah, that's I am ninja musical. Yeah, she's playing music. So, my little sister is a music, alright? Oh, Dylan, do you want me to meet my parents? You are also welcome to everyone and your friends, Dylan. I gotta call my dad. You know, he know what to do. I gotta call Sonny, my dad.
Oh, Sonic here.
Hey Dad, it's me, Lidia. Can I talk to you? I call you because you need to get here and your friends. Because I wanted to meet my friends. Alright? You need to get here now. Alright? Okay. See ya, Dad. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. I had called Sonny, my dad. And he say, there's no way. They come in the way. Oh yeah, moms, dads, this is my Dylan and friends. Dylan and friends, this is my parents. Sonic, Tails, Amy, Knuckle, and Stace. Yeah, Mom, Dylan and friends will save me by Metal Sonic because he almost died. But don't worry, guys, I'm fine. No, I'm fine, really. I'm not hurt. I'm okay, alright? Sure thing, Dylan. And you guys, welcome to our team. No problem, Dylan. And don't worry, you can help us from us, alright?